Regarding the prostration of gratitude, does that mean the woman doesn't need to wear a hijab? What
No,
exactly do
nothing.
you say?
Nothing, hijab, nothing. Even if she was in her bedroom and she is not dressed up decently, she could make the prostration, inshallah. No problem.
What do you actually say in the prostration?
Nothing, you just make the prostration is a prostration. If you said Subhana Rabbi al-A'la, if you said Alhamdulillah ala kulli hal, any word, there's no specific words. Alhamdulillah ala ma razaqani, there is, nah.
It doesn't matter if it's a time where the salah is makruh.
Prostration is not a salah. Prostration is a prostration. Nah.
Okay, so you can do it anytime.
Nah. Anytime, but not any place. Because if you're in the toilet, you can't do it. Because you're going to be mentioning Allah's name. Nah.
There's a lot of sisters asking about the prostration of thankfulness, and they're asking, does the direction matter?
No, it doesn't. But it would be better if it's towards the Qibla. Why is better, I would say? Because the Prophet ﷺ even said, "Inna khayra majalisikum mastaqbaltum bihi al-qibla." The best of the gatherings of you is to when you face the Qibla. So if it's possible for the people who are listening to the teacher to be towards the Qibla, is better than so when you sit in the masjid to have the students facing the Qibla is better than to face the Qibla. But of course you're going to have the teacher, his back to the Qibla. Not everybody is going to be facing the Qibla. I'm not going to be teaching where the students will be at my back and looking at my back. But the majority of the scholars, the majority of the majlis to be towards the Qibla. So from that we say it is better to towards the Qibla, but it doesn't matter. Prostration at any direction. Naam.